Wearing her "don't talk to me" face as she makes the kids' lunches. I oblige and quietly shut the front door as I leave. I drive into town before the fog lifts. I sell sporting goods, 'cause I've got a shop not far from Cathedral Square. I like to open up early so fellas can come in on their way to work and daydream around the rods and reels while their breakfast's still warm inside them. Go on, have yourself a look, I'm proud of my shop. Almost everything's from overseas, you won't find a better selection. Look at the way this gun fits the crook of your arm. To make a thing like that, you need to know what you were about. You'd need to know where you were going and go there in a straight line. And everything else you'd have to shut right out. Can you see the man who made that? Can you see him putting it down and standing back? Can you see the moment when he said, "That's it, that's perfect"? At a time like that, you wouldn't care about your job or your mortgage or the fight you had with your wife. 'Cause when a man holds a thing well made, when a man holds a thing well made, there's connection, there's completeness. When a man holds a thing well made, when a man holds a thing well made. So I do the mail order. There's nothing much, some oilskins and a 303 for a hunter over in Westland. And oh yeah, one of those AK-47s for some collector down